Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off location sharing on Instagram. So if at the end of this you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application, so search for it. Once you open the Instagram application, go ahead and click on your profile button at the bottom right. Then on your profile page, locate and click on the three lines at the top right. One the settings and activity page, you want to scroll down the page, just keep scrolling. Locate and click on device permissions. Once you click on that, locate location services and then click on that. Under location services, if you are using iPhone, you should see update device settings. On Android, just go ahead and turn off location. So on your iPhone, click on update device settings, then click on open device settings. Then under the Instagram application, locate location and set this to never under allow location access, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to turn off location service or location on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.